what we have seen in the past is that the people are somehow hesitant that if I take the patient to this one, any person on the road to a hospital, later on I may be, interrogated. How is he related to you? Do you know him? This and that. So this is one of the things that maybe it prevents some people to not to help. But awareness can be given on one law, that good Samaritan law is there. So according to that one, anybody who assists in an injured person getting to the hospital, then the person who does this act out of good faith, out of kindness, then they won't be liable for any interrogatory procedures. So that is one of the things which awareness should be given to any person in the public possible. And also from our authority side, from our department, even the persons who are doing that emergency work like 108, they can also be of their own alert, so that they have to reach practically on the field in the earliest possible time.